Hi, I'm Josh. I'm from Brighton in the UK, and I had my hair transplant done with Smile Hair Clinic back in January, which is about 9 months ago now. So I just wanted to give a shout out to them and it's a little bit of information. So I started losing my hair maybe about 5 years ago, and after it started receding and thinning on the top, I decided to just buzz it off. And at the time, I didn't hate it, but my confidence took a massive dent. So I'd always toyed with the idea of getting a hair transplant, but it's one of those things you're always skeptical about doing. This time last year, I kind of thought, now is a good time to do it, and I'm serious about it. So I looked into different places, and Smile Hair Clinic was right at the top with reviews. The transformations they had looked amazing, so I thought I'll just take the plunge and do it. And as soon as I booked it, you get loads of information about how the procedure works, getting picked up from the airport, the transfers, everything's kind of laid out. So as soon as you arrive, there's no stress about it. They sort everything out for you. The operation itself was amazing. The guys are really friendly. It's really quick. You kind of get to go to Turkey for a holiday. It's literally no more stressful than that, to be honest with you. And then coming back, every month they were checking on me, see how I'm getting on, ask for pictures, give me advice on how to look after it properly. And as you can see, the results now are amazing. I couldn't be happier with the service they provided. So you should definitely get it done if you're sitting on the fence, because you won't regret it.